Hey, welcome everybody to Larry's Fountain Pen Review, and today is mail call day, so let's get right on with what's in this here box. So, let me open this here box, and we have bubble wrap, cool box, bubble wrap. Before we get started, today's a special day for a very special person, and the name of that person is
Paul Pike.
And Paul Pike today is his birthday. He is 71 years old, and his niece, I believe, let us know, and her name is
Mara Hamill.
Yeah, Mara Hamill emailed me, and she was telling me that this is her uncle. Today's his birthday, and he does watch my videos, and he loves fountain pens, and his favorite fountain pen right now is the Pilot Metropolitan with a medium nib. So that's what he's using. So congratulations on your pen of your choice. Great pen, fabulous pen. Can't go wrong with the Pilot Metropolitan. Affordable and just a great writer. So again, to you, Paul, happy 71 birthday, my man. Take care. God bless. Until our next one, be safe. Now, back to opening up this here package. And here's what it is. And I'm going to leave it just like you see it. It's the Online from Germany fountain pen. Right here it is. Right there. That's what it is. Interesting pen, is it not? Yep. Looks like a ballpoint pen. Anyway, I'll be doing a review on this pen soon. That's going to do it, my friends. Thank you very much for joining me today on Mail Call today. Very special day. Every day is a special day. Keep safe out there. Wash them hands. Be safe. Don't take any chances. God bless each and every one of you. Until my next review, be safe and don't text and drive. Wash them hands. Bye-bye.